What you see here is the data visualization of our PhD in architecture program, and with the slogan of a collegial environment in which research projects on the cutting edge of contemporary architectural agenda thrive. PhD in architecture program aims to cultivate scholars who formulate and conduct original scientific research in the field of architecture and sub-research areas such as history of architecture, theory and criticism, cultural studies, environmental control and building technology, building information, or urban design. The target of the program is to provide students with basic theoretical approaches and accumulation of knowledge in the field of architecture with an interdisciplinary perspective at international, national, and local scales. Within the framework of the program, the students will gain the ability to conduct independent research, which is very, very important, especially for a PhD candidate, to interpret the scientific events with a broad perspective and to determine the necessary steps to reach new synthesis. Organized through theoretical courses and supported with seminars by guests with the motto of deepening the knowledge in architecture, the Master of Science in Architecture, the thesis program that you see the visualization here on the slide, on the other hand, aims to foreground information exchange between scholars and to cultivate research between design approaches that embrace state-of-the-art techniques and technologies across related disciplines. Since the program is open to anyone who holds a 4-year undergraduate degree, students are expected to embrace the transdisciplinary role of architecture and to take part in individual and collective research projects in intersectional areas between architecture and other disciplines. And we expect those projects would focus on social, environmental, and technological issues of contemporary society and, on their effects on built environments in different scales. With the motto of gaining expertise in the field of design with the focus of architecture, on the other hand, the Master of Science in Architecture without thesis program provides the students with an expertise in current and emerging issues of contemporary architectural agenda, organized through theoretical and applied courses and supported with seminars by guests, especially invited guests. We like to have them in each and every semester. The education aims to engender a professional vanguard that nurtures research-based design approaches that embrace contemporary agenda of architecture, especially. The program is open to all graduates of architecture, design, and related fields. In overall, the department aims to educate the graduate students as individuals who have initiative, teamwork, and leadership skills, technical equipment, and social awareness, and are open to development and progress by supporting their personal development within the framework of participatory education models. The understanding of education based on learning by doing in the studio environment, which forms the basis of architectural education, enables students to gain design experience by developing the creative thinking and problem-solving skills required by the information age in active participation in applied processes. Students have the chance to gain experience in the forms of the profession in different geographies, both through international exchange programs and workshops and year-long seminars with the participation of architect guests from different countries. Workshops with local governments and international institutions, extracurricular joint workshops, and project-based collaborations are among the practices that stand out in students' understanding of their roles in environments that require teamwork and the responsibilities of different disciplines.